Another Chilling Rain 3-pack, this time featuring Snorlax. Snore. Snore. Something like that. I don't really remember. I haven't watched a cartoon in years. And my throat was damaged in 2019, so can't really do the voices that I used to be able to do either. I used to be able to do all the Pokemon, or at least the original, like 151 and a couple of the Johto ones. A nice little coin to Genesect, but now I can barely do any of them. Snorlax, a promo, and a code. Chilling Rain for Red Zapdos, or whatever they want to call it these days. I honestly don't know. The Cherry, which is a common. The Frou Frou Dog. Tickle tick! That thing. Some kind of ink thing. Some reverse gloves. The Seviper, I believe. Crap. Metal Energy, Agnes, or Agatha, the Fire Hoenn Gym Leader, and an item and a code. The Black Lizard thing. Hey, it's Rockruff, a name I can actually pronounce. Ghastly. Ladybug. Porygon. Poor Porygon. That thing, Cotton Candy, Reverse Ghost, another Cotton Candy, what the evolution of the Cotton Candy, Water Energy. That guy, Ralts' evolution, another Agatha, and the code. And Articuno's whatever form from Sword and Shield. The thing that changes signs, Ghastly, the Fighting Bunny or Bear, the Crybaby starter type, the water version of Sneasel. The last stage of Ralts, Dark Energy, Peace Pipe, Professor Guy, second stage of Ralts, and the code. So that was literally just Snorlax and a couple of reverses. So yeah, nothing really worth it in the Snorlax box. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.